This is my Spanish-inspired potato soup in the Ninja Soup Maker. So start by adding 500 grams of peeled and chopped potatoes, then a red onion, then a red pepper, you can use any colour pepper, a squirt of garlic puree, or you can use cloves, some dried chilli flakes, they're optional, some smoked paprika, and then some chopped tomatoes, or you could use passata if you have that instead, or even fresh tomatoes, a vegetable stock pot or a cube, and then add some hot water. Stir it around a little bit if you want, so you can add more hot water in, just don't go over the line. Then set it off on chunky. Then at the end of the soup maker cycle, if you give it a little stir, you'll see that it's still, the potatoes are still quite large in there, depending how small you chopped them. So what I like to do is pop the lid back on and then just use the blend, manual blend, or the pulse function, just to give it a really quick blend. Don't do it for too long, just for a couple of seconds. And then when you take the lid off, if you have a look, you'll see that it's still chunky, but it's just a different consistency. Anyway, I hope you like this soup maker recipe. Head over to Liana's Kitchen if you want to find some more.